What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna be making a quick video on my Graphtec settings for perf cutting because it's a highly requested video. I have my perf cut to condition 3, and these numbers are all gonna vary because it depends on how far out you have your blade, right? Not everyone has the same blade depth. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like almost a full credit card. The reason why my blade is so far out is because I'm running substance vinyl with substance laminate. So my material is going to be thicker. If you're kiss cutting, you can also run that same blade depth, but you're going to have to lower your cut pressure to about like 10. My force is at 9. I have it written down. So my force is at 9 and my perf cutting is at 32 or 30, depending if the blade is new or not. First things first, if you're perf cutting, do not use a 45-degree blade, run a 60-degree blade. You can find some on Amazon if you're not trying to run the original roll-in ones, which is what I do. And then I'm using CB09U tool still, it's like the default one. For speed, I have it at 15, force 32, my XL's at 2. Make sure you have a sign tool set to tool 3. What this does is it's telling the machine that you're using the farther out slot that has the perf cutting channel. If you leave it in tool 1, it's gonna assume that you're cutting like regular decal and it's not gonna use that channel. And all you're really gonna run into is it's gonna be cutting into your cutting strip, and you don't want that because then you're gonna wear out that cutting strip when you perf cut. And then once you have that, this I leave alone. I don't use any cut patterns. My blade control force is 16. That's gonna depend on your blade depth. As you can see here, I have my blade right above that registration mark. And what I did was I moved it there and then I hit origin so that the machine starts reading there. Now we're gonna go back over here to my computer. So with the computer, you wanna make sure that you're using the roll-in swatches and you're using the pink for your color swatch. Inside of Illustrator or whatever app you're using, I use Illustrator, so I have pink for my cut line, my perf cut line. And as you can see here, it says condition 3 for this color. Originally, you're gonna start off with, I think it's gonna be right here under all, or it's gonna be by color, and it's gonna have all this stuff enabled. If you bring it straight from Illustrator, you're gonna uncheck everything and just keep your cut line. So I have enabled drive options checked, and then my condition name is condition 3 because I'm using condition 3 on my plotter. And then right here, I have it set to condition 3. I don't touch anything else. This is basically gonna work hand in hand with your Graphtec, and it's gonna know that you're running condition 3 on your plotter. I almost cut the wrong job, but I have my job loaded here. It's the same thing, just more cars. Once you have your offset perfected, I mean, you're good to go. This is fairly simple. If you guys want a better tutorial on how to create perf cut lines, that's coming soon as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you have a Graphtec CE8000 and you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. But yeah, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for what's to come.